Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 130 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1-year challenge, 365 days, where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I'm just shooting this video series for you guys. Go back and watch these previous video guys so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and where we're going, where we're headed. All right. So it's September the 3rd of 2025, and we are on day number 130. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. Now, I'm over here at My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. If you guys have no idea what My Lead Gen Secret is, that's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 new leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is however many accounts that you have accumulated. Okay. And just a little bit about myself, real quick. Okay. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, and you will earn income with this system. Okay. If you do it correctly. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. This is what your back office would look like if you were to get started today. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. Also, you're going to have like the My Lead. This kind of shows you that you're getting brand new leads every single day. As you can see, we have already accumulated a brand new 200 leads. Also, with this service, you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. Now, me, I send out my emails around this time every single night. Okay, so my emails go out at night, and then throughout the day, people are looking at them in the morning, afternoon, in the evening, and then at night, people are looking through those emails. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got, it's not even the fourth yet, but I've already got my 200 leads for tomorrow. That way, when I come in tomorrow night and I send out those emails, I'm going to be able to reach a brand new 200 people that's never seen my offer before. Okay, so. And how you do that, guys, is I left a link below this video for you guys to sign up with. But I'll go back to that here in a moment. But once you sign up from that link below, you're going to have your own affiliate ID whenever you log in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sign out of the account that you just created, and you're going to sign up under yourself using a different email address. Okay. You can use the same credit card to pay for your program, but you will have to use a different email address. Okay. And that's how you do it. I have 8 different accounts, and that's what I did. I seen someone else doing this. I signed up under them. And then after I signed up under them, I just signed up under myself for all my other accounts. That way, whenever I'm making these monthly payments, then I'm getting a kickback of $5 every time that I make a payment. Okay. $5 is coming back to me. And then after a couple months, I can cash out, go do whatever I want with that cash, or reinvest in to get more accounts. Okay. Whatever you want to do with it. All right. So this is the My Leads. Like I say, you'll see the leads that you have coming in. These are additional email swipes. If you want to purchase, you can go purchase those. And then the mailing system, this is where you guys are going to hang out at. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. So this is where you're going to be, pretty much, hanging out at. Okay. So the mailing system, this is where all your emails are. So what you would do, you would select all. Those emails are going to transfer over, and they are going to be loaded up. So all you have to do is you come down here, and some of the stuff is pretty self-explanatory. If you've already sent out an email before in the My Legion secret system, or if you sent out an email ever, and like in Gmail or Yahoo, you know how to do this. Okay. So there's a subject line right here, and then there's also a body of text, okay, which is the description of your email, whatever you're talking about, okay? Now, the whole method to this madness, guys, we pretty much create emails for business opportunity offers, okay? And the reason why we're using ClickBank, because ClickBank is free to get started, doesn't cost you anything, and they have a e-business marketing section where we can grab business opportunity offers. We can use the free email swipes that they have, or you can go to AI and create your own email, or have them create an email, and you can do it that way, whichever one you choose. Okay. So the offer that we're going to be using for this method is going to be this offer here. It's called Social Sales Rep. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank. Now, you don't actually have to use this, or you don't have to use ClickBank at all. Okay. There's other platforms like Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. You got Max Bounty. There's tons of different offers that I've already, been a part of that I know that do work. So that's why I'm naming off those platforms. Okay. But ClickBank is going to be by far the easiest because you can get started in less than 5 minutes and then start using those business opportunity offers. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, why I like ClickBank as well, is because in those business opportunity offers, they have free email swipes. Okay. And these free email swipes are pretty much known to convert because that's why they're in the back office because people use them and they work. Okay. So they're going to give you about 20 different emails. All right. So all you got to do is come in here every single day, grab an email, grab the subject line and grab the body of text, and then you send that over here to the mailing system, guys. And then you come down here and you click on perfect timing and you send that email out, guys. It's just super easy to do. And I would recommend you guys getting started today doing this. All right. So let me show you just how easy it is. Let's just pick some random email. Okay. Let's just come down here. And let's just say, for instance, you're on day number 9. You're going to grab this subject line, you control C. You come over here to the mailing system, guys, you control V, right? It's just that easy, guys, okay? Now, right here, these are the embedded codes. So the only code that you're going to be using is going to be this right here. So that way, when we address our prospects, we are addressing them by their first name, okay? So let's come down here, and this is where the body of text is going to be. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the body of text right here. Okay, so just come down and you're just going to grab this body of text. I'm not going to go through the whole thing in detail, but you get the idea. Control C. You come over here and you control A and then control V. Like it's just super easy to do. And there's going to be 3 things that you need to do in this email. Okay. Number 1 is you're going to have to change out the name and you're going to put in this code right here. So just put in this right here and control C, come back over here, come down, and then you want to control V right here. Yeah, super easy. And then the second thing we're going to have to do is you're going to come here where it says signature. You're going to take that out. You're going to put in your name. Okay. Put in your name or management, whichever one you choose. Okay. The third thing is that these emails all have call to action texts, okay, and like which is call to action sentences like click here now, get started, apply now, sign up, right, learn more, right, whatever, okay. So what you want to do is you want to look for the call to action words, okay, like clicking here, okay. So the cool thing about these emails, they already have them in bold text for you guys. So all you have to do is you just have to come here and you just basically go to this link tab and you want to put in the URL, your affiliate link, okay? And you're going to find your affiliate link underneath every email that you have in these emails. You're going to have your own personalized affiliate link. And then all you have to do is come here and you take out your ClickBank ID. You take your ClickBank ID and then you put in your ClickBank ID, okay? The one that you came up with whenever you came up with your ClickBank account. All right, so all you would have to do is come here and then you want to take this out and you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Don't put in mine, but put in yours. That way you get the credit. And then you would do that for the next clickable link. You want to turn this into a clickable link. And then you want to come here to the link tab, boom, control V, and then take this out. Okay, let's come here. Your ClickBank ID is basically telling you to put in your ID. All right, so let's do that. Boom. And all we got to do is come here and click on OK. Okay. As you can see, we have 2 clickable links right here that's ready to go. Right. So let's make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. Now, as you can see, everything looks good in this email. It's ready to go. So all we have to do. So right here, it says, hi, such and such, whoever, whatever the name is, like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is. And then it goes into the emails telling you about the opportunity. Okay. Then it also shows you like the income potential right here. And then you got two call to action links that you can click on that our prospect can click on. Okay, they can read more about this job specification, and then they can apply here by clicking here. Okay, and then you come down here. There's another click here button as well. So down at the bottom, when you get ready to send these emails, one is going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Preview the preview the email before you send it out. So you click on preview, and then the email comes up in real time. And what you want to do is you want to click on both of these links right here, this one and this one. And the reason you do that, you want to click on them to make sure that they work and that they go to your affiliate page. That way you make the money. Okay. So the last thing you want to do is, spend this time creating this email, sending out to all these thousands of people, and your link doesn't work, okay, and you don't get any credit. You're just wasting traffic, all right? So that's why you want to preview this ad, make sure that it works. After you preview it and you know it goes to your page, click on send now. Boom. Before you click on send now, make sure you put a check mark right here in perfect timing. Okay, it's very important. You should be click on this before you even create the email. Click on perfect timing. All right, and then boom, click send now. Okay. So what that does, it sends this email out to however many people that you have in this account, and then you leave this tab open. You create another tab, and you copy and paste this over to your next account. Like it's just super easy to do. And if you need more in detail, go back to my previous videos. I walk you guys through this step by step on how to do it, okay? But as you can see, I just gave you just a quick rundown on how to send out an email in the system, which is super easy to do. If you guys want to get started with the My Legion Secret system today, I did leave a link below this video. So all you got to do is come here to the tiny URL MLGS True Freedom, and then it takes you to this page. And as you can see, there's a lot of people making money with this offer. Okay. So with this method, all right, and you can not only promote other products, but you can promote the My Legion Secret system. Seen enough, right? Let's go ahead and get started, right? And as you can see, there is a one-time charge of $60 to start the service, and then you have $30, which is a setup fee, okay, and then you have $30 a month after that, okay, that you'll pay each and every month, okay, and then what you're going to get in return is you're going to get thousands of people coming into your list every single month. Okay. You're going to gain subscribers every day. Right. So eventually, if you stay with this, if there's something that you stick with, eventually you're going to have thousands and thousands and thousands of people coming into your list. Okay. Which is pretty cool. All right. So, this is it, guys. This is how you would get started. Okay. And then let's go back over here. Click on this link, guys. It takes you right to it. Go ahead and get started today. I mean, I just can't say anything else about how easy this opportunity is. This is the easiest way, one of the easiest methods to do online to make money. All right. So let's go over and go over here to clickbank.com. Clickbank is a network platform that you can go to for business opportunity offers or whatever you're selling, and you can pick out these business opportunity offers, guys, and use them with the My Legion Secrets. Okay. What I've been doing lately is just showing you a 30-day overview of what everything looks like. As you can see, this has been the algorithm for the last 30 days. So you can see that we have been earning income with this method. Okay. Now these gaps are just days or a couple of days that we went without a sale. But as you can see, for the most part, we have been earning pretty consistent income every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay, right here's a larger gap. Like I said before, I've been saying this in a lot of my videos. I was in Nebraska helping my daughter move in for college. Okay, so I was not able to be around, and I had to, take a break. And then as soon as I came back, as you can see, the consistency every single day, we started earning income, and then every other day or every 2 days. Okay. So this is the 30-day overview. I used to do the daily, chart to see you what's showing every day. But what I wanted to do is show you a ballpark of a bird's eye view is what I want to say of the last 30 days, so you can see the consistency, if there's gaps, or what to expect if it was you, um, you know, doing this challenge, with me. Okay. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like, guys. We did earn a sale today. We did get another rebuild today from a sale that we got a few days ago. So we've been earning pretty consistent sales with this method. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys what this looks like. Okay. This is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. Okay. You're not going to make thousands and thousands of dollars with this method. But if you do it correctly, okay, if you come in and you put in the work, then you will see progress doing this. All right. So subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Let me know what you think about it, guys. And go ahead and get started today. Okay. I've already sent out my emails today. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll go over these emails and go over our results. And we'll do the same thing again tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.